Because, kasi magpe-perform yung SB19. Tapos may ganito.
Model, actress, beauty queen goes hard in fangirling over SB19. Miss Marina Benipayo at Binibining Pilipinas 2024. Model, actress, and beauty queen Miss Marina Benipayo became an SB19 fan since she first saw them at Binibining Pilipinas 2022. And now, she has revealed in her latest TikTok video na pinag-isipan talaga niyang mabuti ang pagpunta ng SB19 sa Binibining Pilipinas 2024 Coronation Night. Ayon pa dito, nagpalit siya ng gown na although elegante pa rin pero yung tipo na komportable siya dahil alam niyang mapapasayaw siya sa performance ng SB19 lalo na't andyan din ang legends na sina Sir Gary Valenciano at Sir Martin Rivera.
Kaya ko naisipan na baka hindi ko kaya i-carry yung gown for 5-6 hours mamaya is because kasi magpe-perform yung SB19. Tapos may Gary Valenciano and Martin Rivera pa. So I have a feeling, di ko mapipigilan sarili ko, baka sumayaw ako ng todo. Kaya I wanted to wear something that was really more comfortable. Pero
and we can actually see her vibing and dancing to SB19's Moonlight. At eto na nga, nagkakilala na sila in person for the first time at nagkasama backstage. Kitang-kita kung gaano kasaya si Miss Marina and we can totally relate.